Project Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor update. Basically what was shown to be a possibility in the Fun Physics Simulator is not going to work when for a practical application. Pendulum on a pendulum, if you look at the SwingGen videos, it shows it requires a stationary object to push against or pull off to get the thing to oscillate, or the device to oscillate. So basically, pendulum on a pendulum without some sort of stationary post to push or pull off of, it's just going to do nothing except rock back and forth on the main pendulum without driving the primary rotor. But I was looking at the Melkiavik two-stage oscillator, and if I configure something like that that'll pull up and down on the purely primitive configuration of the bike chains, that will provide a rotor. So we're going to proceed with that. It'll probably resemble something similar to an early American wood treadle lathe. I'm not sure if that makes any sense to anybody, but basically it'll provide a pumping action up and down on the T part of the pendulum, and it'll be powered by the windshield wiper motor and falling weight through the one-way bearing. So that'll work. It looks like it'll work. Take me a few days to make alterations, and then we'll post results. So getting this to rock up and down. Like a Melkiavik configuration. Oops, something's hitting. We got to take that apart. That'll provide enough force at the input to rotate the primary rotor, and then we can try the Swing 5 configuration on the primary rotor and see if that'll actually provide enough force or power or energy to drive the alternator. Thanks for listening. Enjoy the day. Cheers. A simulation of the new proposed configuration. It's similar to a Melkiavik two-stage oscillator. We can adjust the parameters by increasing or decreasing the weight that's mounted on the pendulum. Of course, once a load is on it, this will behave differently, but it should oscillate back and forth, providing a drive to the primary rotor through the bike chain configuration that's on the project at this time. So we'll see how it goes. Enjoy the day. Cheers.